கூட்டமென்றும் சிறியோர்க்கு ஞாபகம் செய் முழங்கு சங்கே.
I have no words to speak after this wonderful evening, the program. Like somebody said the other day, a speech after a very good program is like a bad sweet dish after a very good food. So speech is always boring compared to such programs. However, it's amazing how the children here are so talented. Tamil community does constitute a good number here, a very strong community. Tamil community is a vibrant community, very active in society, social affairs, culture, and this is what I wanted to see. And regarding the Tamil language, Mr. Malik was suggesting to me to learn Tamil. I'm sure if it is easier than Arabic, I'll definitely switch over to Tamil. Because 4 months now I'm finding it difficult to learn Arabic. So Tamil could be a better option, yes. We are trying to shift our consulate to a bigger building. If this also comes through, inshallah, you will see us or you will have your programs in a more spacious, better area in the coming days. I do not wish to bore you anymore. With this, I would like to thank Tamil Sangam, in particular Mr. Abdul Malik, the man behind this show, all the organizations working under Tamil Sangam, these children, the beautiful children and their beautiful program, and all of you being present. In the coming days, inshallah, we'll be meeting, seeing each other again and again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Siji Saab. This entire our Tamil community, the large number of the people today, only to see you only, sir. We want to honor you, sir. We want to honor your presence. Please welcome with a warm welcome for the CG. One more applause, please, with our kids, CG Saab. CG Saab, today you are with us. We are always with you, sir.
ஆண்மை சிங்கத்தின் கூட்டமென்றும் சிறியோர்க்கு ஞாபகம் செய் முழங்கு சங்கே.
Thank you, everybody.
வெங்குருதி தனில் கமழ்ந்து வீரம் செய்கின்ற தமிழ் எங்கள் மூச்சா.
Thank you, kids.